Hello and welcome to Heidi's home. Today I'm going to be cleaning out the refrigerator. I just went to the grocery store, so I'm giving the fridge and the freezer a good kind of regroup and resort. I'm getting rid of anything that's old, expired, old leftovers, most definitely. Some old milk. I think that milk was expired on the 10th. Anyhow, we're going to get rid of it and we're going to restock the refrigerator and make it nice to begin our week. I'm also going to be repackaging some family packs of meat that I bought, and that way the fridge and the freezer are all good to go for the week. Now I'm going to make some dinner, and a lot of you have been asking a lot of questions about this meal. This is the egg roll in a bowl, and I'm making it in my new electric skillet. I'm starting off with a little bit of olive oil, some onions, some garlic. We're going to saute that all really, really good. And what I love about this is you can add any kind of meat you want. If you want to add some cooked pork, chicken, steak, shrimp, whatever you would like. At the end, I put some grilled chicken in this recipe, so you can do you. But the basic idea is egg roll in a bowl is 2 bags of coleslaw mix. We're going to cook this down until it's nice and soft. Now, as you see here, when I take the lid off, you will see that my cabbage mixture has cooked down a good bit. And when you cook cabbage, it kind of shrinks up. So it's been in my electric skillet with the lid on for about 5 minutes. And now we're going to make a very simple sauce that is going to go on this. It's almost so simple, I only can say that I don't even know if you'd really want to consider this a really major recipe. However, it is so delicious. So we're going to start out with 6 tablespoons of soy sauce. And if you are trying to watch your salt intake, definitely buy the low sodium. I don't think it matters. Either one is delicious. Give that a good stir in there and make sure that all your cabbage kind of gets worked in to that soy sauce. Now you're going to add in 4 tablespoons of rice vinegar. And it's totally up to you, but you can add 2 tablespoons of sesame oil. I do think that it really does add to it. You can also add like a half a teaspoon of ground ginger, and that will add to it as well. So definitely do it to your liking. And that's what it looks like, all cooked and ready to be served. And then all I'm going to do is I just take my grilled chicken and put it on top, and then I serve it that way, which you're going to see here in just a second. Doesn't that look delicious? Now I'm going to put away some dishes that I washed. Definitely need to give the kitchen a good tidy after supper. I also washed dishes earlier, and I kind of washed as I made dinner. So now it's time to make sure that everything is dry and put everything away. Now, lastly, I am going to give my electric skillet a really good scrub down. Again, using a non-abrasive sponge, hot water, and a ton of Dawn liquid soap, which works wonders for like as a degreaser. And my electric skillet comes out spotless every time. So now I am just taking care of some green grapes that I purchased. I'm just pulling them all off the vine. I'm going to give them a quick rinse and a dry and put them in a Ziploc bag so that they are easy to access and to enjoy this week. I'm also planning to make my chicken salad this week, and so I will be using some of these here grapes for that recipe. Now that I got my stove wiped down, I'm going to reload our mini fridge with drinks, starting with water. And then I'm also going to load in Diet Cokes. I allow myself to have one Diet Coke every single day. I usually have it with supper, and I enjoy it immensely. Now I'm going to give my floor a quick sweep, and I'm going to give it a good mop with some Pine Sol cleaner that my father-in-law gave me because I forgot to buy more cleaner, and he brought me over some today, so I was able to get my floors mopped. So lastly in this video, I am going to stack up my mini cases of water over here in this corner. I stocked up because Kroger had a big sale. It was the cheapest I've seen water in a long time. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing this video. Thanks so much for watching. If you are new, hit that subscribe button, and I'll be seeing you again soon. Bye, guys.